Want to create a professional business website without needing coding skills? This video shows you how, using USDomainCenter.com and WordPress. Building a business website is much easier than beginners often think. Thanks to USDomainCenter.com and WordPress, anyone can have a professional site running in a short time. We'll guide you through 5 simple steps to get your website launched. Let's start with step 1, registering your domain name. The first essential step is registering your domain name, which will be your unique online identity. Your domain name, like yourbusiness.com, is crucial for branding and how customers find and trust your business online. USDomainCenter.com makes it fast and easy to search for available domains and register the perfect one that represents your brand. Once you have your domain, the next step is securing web hosting, which is where your website lives. Web hosting stores your website files and makes them accessible to visitors worldwide, ensuring they can see your business online. USDomainCenter.com offers trusted hosting with global data centers, excellent uptime, and 24/7 support for fast and stable performance, whether your visitors are local or international. Moving on to step 3, we install the foundation of your website, WordPress. WordPress is the world's most popular content management system, used by millions of businesses, and it's incredibly beginner-friendly. With USDomainCenter.com, there's no complex setup. Use their one-click WordPress installation, click Install, and your website is immediately ready to customize. The fourth step is where we define the look and functionality of your site by installing themes and plugins. A theme controls your website's appearance. WordPress offers thousands of free, professional themes, so you can find the perfect match for your business style. You could also install free plugins to add powerful features like contact forms, SEO optimization, security protection, and more, creating a beautiful and functional site. Finally, step 5 is bringing your website to life by adding your business content. Upload text describing your products or services, high-quality photos, audio clips, videos, and engaging blog posts. Once published, your content turns your website into a global storefront that customers can visit anytime, anywhere. If you ever feel stuck, US Domain Center is happy to assist. US Domain Center can answer questions or guide you step by step. Remember, USDomainCenter.com's global data centers ensure your site loads quickly for visitors no matter where they are. Contact US Domain Center anytime. US Domain Center is here to help you succeed.